Hey there, welcome to the Locker Room. Coach Giggs here, and today's message, follow the golden rule. Follow the golden rule. Folks, let's treat everyone that we meet as the most important person on the earth. Why? Because as far as they're concerned, they are the most important person on the earth. You see, people want to be admired, they want to be respected. They want to feel that they're important, that they're needed, and that they're respected. And because of this, whoever gives that to them, they will in turn give you back their love, their support, their kindness, and their business. They'll give it to the person who fills these needs. So, what am I saying? Look for the good in every person you meet. And when we look for the good in people, guess what? That's right, you'll find it. Now, I'm not stupid. I know some people, you have to look long and hard. But that's okay. Keep looking, because everyone has something about them that makes them good. And so, let's look for the good in people. Let's follow the golden rule and treat everyone the way we would want to be treated. In fact, a very dear friend of mine, Rick Altig, he has traded in the golden rule for what he calls the platinum rule, which is, he says, to treat everybody better than you would otherwise treat yourself. I think I like that definition better. Thank you, Rick, for sharing that with me. And thank you, all of you, for being here in the locker room. So follow the golden rule and then graduate to Rick's rule, the platinum rule. Treat others as if they're the most important person on the earth. And they'll give you their respect, they'll give you their trust, they'll give you their love, they'll give you their business. There's the message. Make it a great day, gang, and we'll see you tomorrow in the locker room. Take care. Bye-bye.
If you've enjoyed and feel that the Daily Locker Room has served as an inspiration in your life, why not take this moment and do the same for a friend by sending them the daily message? Click on the Tell a Friend tab, fill in their information, and help spread the inspiration.